Exercise. Just a few hours ago, I called up Olivia and Aaron because I wanted to show Aaron a YouTube video. And then it kind of sprung out into a whole ordeal of ideas. One of these ideas being a fitness video. Yeah, you guys know how I feel about that. But this time it actually sounded interesting. An exercise video. But wait, there's more. You see, Aaron was telling me that he could actually guide me through several different exercises that he knows of. And since, I obviously need it, definitely not gonna be easy, but we'll try and get through it together.
Life changer, miracle arranger, born to the virgin mom in a manger.
Yo, just so you guys know, I'm literally walking to Aaron's house right now. And I'm out of breath because I just ran, like, the entire way. Yo! Yo! See all these basketball court hoops, bro? Bro's got the cinematics, bro. Work it. Work it. Oh, damn. Let's see some of your moves, bro. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, you missed! You suck! How am I gonna film this? Oh, wait, I have an idea. Let's see, how does that look? Oh, nah! Actually, that's not bad. Ladies and gentlemen, today, so, as you can see, we're at I'm not gonna say where we're just at a random school. I'm in front of all these basketball hoops, and you might be wondering yourself, Jaden, what are you doing here? Well, to keep it in the simplest terms possible, black man do black sport. So basically, teach me like the fundamentals and stuff, right? Probably not.
Alright. Lesson one. Lesson one.
Yes, lesson one.
Shooting the ball.
Shooting the ball. Alright.
Here.
First we gotta try and shoot the ball. Don't really know, but this is a Spalding ball. It matters, right? Totally.
Not really.
See, now I'm just gonna cut it to where that went in. You suck! He's going at it. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? You still mad! Teach me like the form on how to throw a basketball. Oh, okay. Bro, how do you throw a basketball? That's what I'm here to learn like the basics of sports.
Whenever you miss, it's never your fault. It's always either the wind or the ball.
Bars.
Here, I'll teach you how to shoot. Let's get.
Bro, it's literally the next Michael Jackson.
What? I told you, I gotta warm up.
Alright then, warm up, man. The main priority in basketball for this video is me being able to get the ball in the hoop. I literally can't do that. And
I'm not that bad.
I mean, you kind of are, bro. He lost the ball in the bushes. Oh my god! He just did a front flip into the bushes. Here we have Aaron Gill in his natural habitat. Yeah, I'm definitely getting canceled. Oh no.
Monkey shot goes hard though.
Trying to the Michael Jackson thing. Oh, that sucks. You suck. That sucks.
It's a free throw dunk. What do you want?
Here, you try and record me. From all the stuff I've learned today, I think I
did not learn anything.
I learned everything.
What's good, gang?
So, after like 7 hours of practicing and learning all of the basic, I didn't learn anything, but I'm just gonna try it again. All right, first, gotta do this.
He airballed that. He airballed that. He airballed that.
I'm not even doing this for the camera. I genuinely couldn't pick it up. Bitches, I'm gonna try the 1970s style. Oh no. I still missed.
You gotta go get that. Look at this man. Failure. Mess.
All my life, I've been struggling with chronic depression.
Cosmic.
My pain is chronic, but my ass is iconic.
That is not boys. And she missed.
Okay, every shot I miss, I have to do 5 push-ups.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna miss this shot.
Alright, give me 10.
What? No, I don't have to do anything you say. This is child labor.
You're older than me.
10 push-ups.
Watch your language, 5 more.
What?
Last one's a clap push-up.
What? Oh my god, this is the stupidest thing I think I've ever done in my life. We have to do the pacer test. Alright, for the pacers, we'll go from that green square right there to that green square. You're doing the pacers with me, right?
Just from there, that wall to that wall.
What?
Don't make it harder.
Like this to this, right? I think.
We'll make it the whole basketball court.
What? No. I will actually die, Aaron. I can't do that.
Let's go.
I'm not doing that.
Remember to run in a straight line and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over. Get ready. Start. One. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. End of level 1. 8. 9.
Only 12? You want to do sit-ups? Sit-ups is like,
Sit-ups is so easy, bro.
this is normal military sit-up.
Oh, you bring your legs up.
Not really.
Oh, you just need to use your legs to get up? Is that how fat you are?
My eyes are way too narrow, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Light work. This is probably looking so weird. Oh, wait.
Ready?
No.
Begin. Up, down, 1, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. You're slipping down. 6,
No, I'm not.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up. Down. 2, up,
Stop making me laugh.
down.
My stomach hurts.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Arriba.
What?
Arriba. That's up.
Oh.
Down. 22.
Go, sir.
Down. 24. 25. Bajo. 26. Arriba. Deba. 30. Arriba. Arriba. That's over. 35.
Huh?
35.
No, that had to be like 50. Whoa. Okay, you want a challenge? I'll give you a challenge. I know what the last course should be.
Oh my god. What?
Obstacle course. No! Let him cook.
Nah.
Let me try it. I'll
no,
demonstrate.
No.
for you.
No.
Yeah.
No.
What?
No.
What? No.
So.
Did
when
you just
get
say
over
no?
here,
Okay.
you gotta
Oh, hell nah.
run up.
Okay.
No, you don't need to go in.
Okay.
Run back down.
I hope you fall.
You gotta get a foot up here.
Yes.
Then you gotta climb back down.
Oh, no.
Same thing. Run up here.
Yeah, and then run back down. Oh, okay. So you have to touch the like the inside. All right, I got you.
Run up. Run down. Run up. Run down. Finish by going up here.
Wow, work it. Work it.
Don't put that in. But going through here.
And just running. Catchy.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Wrong way, wrong way. No. You gotta run back down. You gotta go do it again. Where are you going? No, no, no. You gotta go up. Not seeing enough movement. Shut up. Not seeing enough movement. Alright. Final dash, final dash. Go, go, go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! Oh no! No, you gotta climb it. Closing on a minute. No! No! A minute 6! How long did I have?
Minute 16.
Please consider subscribing.
You can send.
Bro, leg is gone.
It stinks. Demolished. If you guys did enjoy this video, I'm still out of breath.